The code we developed in the previous video needs 2 extra lines to be able to work on a local IDE such as PyCharm or Visual Studio Code. So on REPL it worked well, but if I get this code and I put it on PyCharm, for example, on my Windows computer, and then I run it, I'm going to get this error. It says that Chrome driver needs to be in path. So Chrome driver is a file which you need to download. So let's download Chrome driver and place it in a folder and then connect that folder with our code. So go to your browser and then do a search for Chrome driver and then go to this web page. So you want to download one of these files, but first you want to know what version of Chrome you have. So I assume you are on your Chrome browser. An easy way to find the version of your Chrome browser is by searching what's my browser version on Google and then visit this page. And this says that I'm using Chrome 100, that's the version on Windows. So I go back to the Chrome driver webpage and I download the Chrome driver 100 version and I get the win32.zip version, this one in here. That will give me a zip file and I'll just copy it in my downloads folder. So in my downloads folder now I have this Chrome driver.exe file. Well, then we want to go to our code, and first we want to import the service class. So from selenium.webdriver.chrome.service import service, lowercase s here, uppercase s, and then we want to create a service object instance using that service class, which as input gets a string. The string should be the absolute path pointing to the Chrome driver file. So in my case, my file is in downloads. You see downloads folder Chrome driver.exe. Therefore, I want to go here and create the absolute path, which is c:\\/ users. This should be similar in your case, but now I want to place here my username, my Windows username, and I'll also tell you the path of your Mac if you're using a Mac computer. So you should replace this to your Windows username and then downloads and then / Chrome driver.exe. So this assumes that you also placed that file in your downloads folder. Then you want to go down here where you have this line, driver is equal to webdriver.chrome, and you want to pass here another argument, service is equal to service. And we also have the options argument, so I'm not touching that. So service is the name of the argument, is equal to service, that variable. And that's it. I can run this now. And this will successfully start my Chrome browser, scrape that text, and we should see that text printed out in here on PyCharm. If you're using Mac, this path should be slightly different. It would be users with slashes, so no backslashes but slashes. Your username / again downloads Chrome driver, and that's it. So that would be in quotes, and you should place that string instead of that. And that's it. So that's how Selenium works on your local IDE. So you should do this, you should add this line and that argument for all the scripts that we will be developing in this section where we work with Selenium. So please keep that in mind, and I'll talk to you in the next video. See you.